Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome to my studio. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for making a new pattern. In this 6-part video series, I'm going to show you how to make some easy mitts, loofahs, and dishcloths using Be So Scrubbi Yarn is my brand new number 3 DK weight textured yarn that is great for scrubbing dishes, cleaning bathrooms and floors, or even exfoliating your skin. You'll also need a size H8 or 5mm crochet hook and a yarn needle and scissors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the loofah. Believe it or not, this is only a 4-round project, and it's going to take 3 balls of Be So Scrubbi yarn and a size H8 or 5mm crochet hook. Let's get started. We're going to start with tying our yarn to our crochet hook. You can use a square knot, a slip knot, does not matter. Whatever works best for you. And our setup round starts with 13 foundation ovals. A foundation oval is chain 3 and double crochet in the 3rd chain from your hook. That's our working loop, so we'll count back 1, 2, 3. Double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. This is our first foundation oval. We'll do another one, chain 3 and double crochet in the 3rd chain from your hook. Okay, that's 2 foundation ovals. We're going to repeat this until we have 13 foundation ovals total. Okay, this is what your work should look like at the end of the setup round. You should have 13 foundation ovals, and we're going to slip stitch into the 1st chain at the beginning of the round to join. This is the end of setup round. Round 1 begins with slip stitching into that 1st foundation oval, chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet, and we're going to work 8 more double crochets into that same 1st foundation oval. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll work 7 more in that same space, so the chain 3 plus 8 double crochets counts as 9 double crochets. Okay, and now we're going to pivot our work to then work into the opposite side of that same foundation oval. And we're going to work 9 more double crochets into this side of the foundation oval, so that at the end of round 1, we should have a total of 18 double crochets. Okay, now we'll slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 1. We've got our 12 foundation ovals here that are now going to be our hanging loop, right? So that our loofah has that handle that you can hang things from. And then this is the beginning of our ruffled loofah. So round 1 has 18 stitches. Round 2 begins with a chain 3 and working 3 double crochets into that same 1st stitch, which was the top of the chain 3. So we're going to be quadrupling our stitch count in round 1. So our repeat for this round is 4 double crochets in each stitch around. This is what your work should look like at the end of round 2. You want to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. At the end of round 2, you should have 72 double crochets. For rounds 3 and 4, we're going to be repeating round 2, meaning that we will chain 3 for the 1st stitch and work 3 double crochets in that same stitch, and then work 4 double crochets in each stitch around. Your stitch count at the end of round 3 should be 288 stitches, and your stitch count at the end of round 4 should be 1,152 stitches. You'll slip stitch to join to the top of the 3 at the beginning of the round to join, and at the end of that 4th round, this is the amount of volume you will get from all of those quadruple increases. Isn't that gorgeous? It makes a wonderful gift or a wonderful spa treatment for yourself. Follow the link in the video description for this gorgeous pattern plus others, and also get information on ordering Be So Scrubbi Yarn. And there's also a link in the video description so that you can see all the videos in this series for making projects in Be So Scrubbi Yarn. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about today, you can find as links in the video description below. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.